Why is he cocked out of his mind?
We gotta move this hot tub, boys.
You're cocked out of your
Trying to fucking drink beer.
fucking mind.
Fucking idiots are being stupid.
Goodbye.
Oh, yeah, look at that piece of shit.
High and tight.
Oh.
Dude, the fucking thing
Blew the fucking can right out of his mouth.
Yes, he's in there.
He's
going to as long as the kids didn't let him.
Yeah, rev it real high!
There's our dinner. Let's fry that motherfucker up. A nice lake trout.
Yeah.
With a little olive oil on it.
Yeah. What's this guy? Fucking cocked. Your lawn's on fire.
Your fucking lawn's on fire.
Fucking mind cock! Cocked out of your fucking mind! Send it! Why? Put it back in the fucking garage! No!
Hey, look, cocked out of his mind. What? Where's he going up there? Hey, it says snowmobile.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.